lumapit kay TBJ. Kailangan nyo lisensya sa driving, lumapit kay TBJ. Pera, kaya nyo kayo prenta, kung tatanggapin. Namaya call on 15. Si 15, siya yung nag-organize ito party nito. Tama she's very glamorous. Kumikintap-kintap. Pag kayo didikit sa kanya, baka madulas kayo. Si 15 is the life of the office. Kahit na mainit ang ulo ko, mainit pa rin ang ulo ko. Anak ko yun. Now, let me call on finally si Wright. Wright and I have been... Right? Right. Si Wright, matagal nang kasama to sa Citadel pa. Kasama kami sa Zinlo. Tinausap siya, nawag siya sumunod sa akin. Makulit, matigas ang ulo, sumunod pa rin. In closing, just to tell you honestly, itong Christmas party, supposedly, kung iisipin na rin, kami lang eh. Kami lang talaga. Kung Christmas party kami, masaya na kami. Pero, we dedicate this Christmas party sa inyong lahat. Sa inyo, this is our way of thanking you. I present to you your dad, your daughter, your friend, and your future husband. This is who we are right now. And this is the future of Allied Logistics. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Okay. And we thank you. Anyway, in closing, we all know that all over the world, ang sabi nila, there's recession, there's difficulty in terms of business. But sa team namin, we are taking that as a challenge. While they are relaxing, while they are lax, we are taking the opportunity na hatawin. We're giving our best. Year 2009 is a very promising year for the team. I just hope that we will all continue to strive harder for our future. And my last parting word, the future is so bright. You gotta wear shades. Thank you.